What's up, guys? Leave, drop a message from wherever you're coming from, guys. Drop a message, drop a message, drop a message. If you can hear me, we're about to start right now. Just drop a message from wherever you're coming from right now. Let's get this stream started. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So currently now, I'm looking at my chart, and before that, I look at our forest factory because I'm about to kick this stream started because I'm already seeing some opportunities in the market already. So forest factory currently, there is no buyers, there's no trade, there's no red folder. The only red folder those you have is on Chef and on USD, which is by 3 o'clock, which I won't be streaming that time. So let's get started. Let's do what we do best. So currently, gold is looking good for buys. It's actually looking good for buys right now. I've been monitoring this before the whole stream, before getting started with the stream, and I'm looking for opportunities like right where gold is currently is now, and I would likely go longs, but let me see how this is just how many minutes to the candle. Let's see how it goes. So if it breaks back its own candle high, I think there's an opportunity to go long on this trade. So this is my very first opportunity on gold. I was waiting for. Let's see how it plays out. Let me see if it's time for me to send this to the group. I don't know if it's time for me to send it. See if I can copy the whole stuff and send it before I do a breakdown on the whole trade. Well, let me see. I'm going to place a buy stop above this level. I haven't entered the trade yet, so let's place our limits. Let me quickly copy it and paste it in the group. So trade plays out, plays out. But if I can't copy it on time and you're on this live stream, you can just click a buy on gold. Um, Shit, it's already moving. It's already moving, guys. Luckily for me, I'm not gotten in yet. I'm still typing my sheets, trying to do my sheets. But let's say I plays out. Yeah, lucky for me. Okay, now let's do a top down analysis on gold. The trade didn't look like it wants to play out, so let's do a top down analysis of gold. Let's do a proper top down analysis. First of all, let's go to my weekly time frame. Let me turn down the music. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but let me turn down the music. Let's go to let me go to my weekly. I start from a weekly time frame. So the weekly is bearish. You can see our price close bearish, strong bearish candle on the weekly time frame. So let's go to daily time frame. Let's work our way through from the daily to the current day. So you can see our daily. Now, first thing I usually talk about in the group is that I'm always mindful of candles that don't have a top wick or bottom wick. So you can see in this candle that this candle has no bottom wick. So I'm mindful of this candle. So let's work our way to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see where price created our support and resistance. Now, thankfully we didn't enter that trade because if you did, price is currently at level 4 hour levels of support. You can see sorry resistance. Don't mind me, resistance. So you can see that price is currently on a 4 hour level of resistance, which is a strong one. So we're looking for price to either break above or close below before we can look to go long or go short. Now, if you go to our 1 hour time frame, Tony, I see you. Go to our 1 hour time frame. You can see that price has also created a level of resistance on the 1 hour time frame, which is above this level. And we are looking for price. Let's just draw our zone. So on this place too, we have a level of resistance above this level. Sorry, we also have a level of resistance above this level, which was a level which price can drive and cover. And we also have a level of support below the structure. Looking at my left, that's what I'm working with currently. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I'm going to look at my um I'm going to look at my 30 minutes time frame, which is usually my entry. 30 and 15 minutes time frame is my entry count. That's where I'm really looking to enter the charts if I have any opportunities in the market. So on the 30 minutes, there is nothing to see on 30 minutes, just that price is trying to create a level, probably create an engulfing candle or something. That's what price is doing on the 30 minutes. And on the 15 minutes, you can see the whole rejection, price is rejecting this level, and you can see it. Now, based on this level here, it's kind of like a break and retest for price to continue pushing upward. Now, the whole structure looked like a fake out from this very top here. Um, from this very top here, price breaking above this zone and losing back inside for a retest for probably to continue to the downside. But in order for me to sell this market, I need price to break below this structure here. But mind you, this trade might still play out for on the bullish side because price has not broken below this 15 minutes low, which indicates that the structure is still bullish. So like the current small structure, it can still play out, like break above this zone and keep pushing upward. But like I said, here's what to do. All I'm going to do now is just wait and see how the whole trade plays out. Then we know how we're going to execute the trade. Understand? So luckily for me, I looking at this trade. I was close to entering it, but I was hesitant because it's Monday. You don't need to be jumping into any trades anyhow on Monday. You get me? The first of the week, you need to be very careful. That was it. So let us look at the trade. It might still play out, it might still not play out, but um, that's aside. Let's look at any other pair that might be looking interesting currently. Um, we should have GJ. GJ should be good as well. So let's go look at GJ, GPP, JPY. That should be another pair we can look at. We can look at GJ. So GJ, let me clear up everything on GJ. But currently the JPY pairs are on bank holiday. So I don't really expect much from JPY currently. But regardless, we're going to look at it and see what the price is currently doing. so we can know if we can get into any opportunities in the market. I hope you guys can hear me. I hope you guys can hear me. So let's look if you can get any opportunity in the trade, so we can know if you can jump in or not. So looking at GJ currently, we see that GJ is let's go to the daily time frame. Let's start from the weekly actually. So on the weekly time frame, we have like a bullish structure, but overall price is kind of ranging. We have a range where price is ranging. You can see the range where price is also ranging. And um since I do day trading and I scalp, so it's always an opportunity for us to place a trade or look for an opportunity in the market. So let's go over to 4 hour time frame. Let's start from the daily. Daily is a bit of gap, market gap, but regardless of that, let's go over to our 4 hours. 4 hours is the level where price came down to retest. So this could be probably be a break and retest of structures to keep pushing upward. Yeah, this might be a retest for price to push up to the upside. Now let's go to the 1 hour time frame. Let's see if we can get a structure on the 1 hour time frame. Now it's good because I can see a level of resistance here where price has created, and there's a possibility that if price break above this resistance level, there might be a bullish push to the upside. So looking closely, um we have about 5 minutes to the close of the 15 minutes candle. So let's see, this is like basically pre-London. So let's see how it plays out. So let's wait for the next 5 minutes, and whatever price does in the next 5 minutes, we can know how we execute it. So what I need price to do is just close strong bullish above the zone. I need a strong bullish closure above the zone. Then a retest of structure, price comes down to retest. If price closes like this, is a no-no for me. But I need to see a strong bullish closure above the zone. Then I can indicate that price has given me something that I can work off. Then the next thing I want the next candle to pull back a bit, do like a bearish pullback into the zone, indicating that sellers are trying to push the price. Then the next candle should break above its own high, and that's why I'm looking to go for longs on the trade. So that's it. So you can see I'm going to show you my um so basically I just see guys. So let's just observe the trade and see what's going on the charts, and look to make money, look to see if you can make secure any profit. The first day, this is our first day streaming, guys. This is our first day streaming, and I have 4 people currently streaming with me. So I appreciate everyone coming to the live stream. I'm just here to drop knowledge, do what I do best, which is trade. If possible, if you can see an opportunity, we make money today, and if you cannot, we'll wait to the next day. You can see that I've taken no trades on stream. We have 0 wins, 0 loss, 0 break even. So that's about it. And also there's a Zoom. If you want to be part of the Zoom, just connect with me straight to the Zoom. Just let me know, drop a message to me so we can just communicate from the Zoom instead of me just talking to myself. Want to be part of the Zoom? Don't let me know so I can probably add 1 or 2 people to the Zoom so we can be a sexual interaction while we on stream. So that's going to be about it. So if you're interested, just let me know, and we'll do what we're going to do. So that's about it. So this is GJ. Like I said, I'm waiting for a bullish structure closing above the level. But if you have any other pairs, before I continue, so if you have any other pairs, but GJ and Gold is my major pair I trade. But if you have any other pair you want me to look at, just tell me and I'll check it for you, and we will just do it together. And if the pair looks good, if the pair looks nice, I'll probably place a trade on it, and we'll probably make money from it. So that's it. That's it, guys. That's that. So you can share this to your friends that trades. Tell them that there's someone who trades live, so they can jump on as well, and we can all make money together. So that's it. Um. Okay. Tony, just message me, message me. and I'll add you up. Just message me, Tony. At least the Zoom too, it has. I think there's a bit of latency on the live stream on the live stream on the live stream on YouTube. But I think Zoom is a bit faster, so everything just plays out quickly. I've tried my best when I was setting up the whole thing. I tried my best to see if there's any way I could make it go faster, but it did not work that way. But regardless, we're here. So at least if I see any trade before it actually plays out, if you know the latency, I'm going to either I tell you guys what I'm expecting price to do or what I want price to do, or I will just quickly drop the trade before it happens. You get? I just drop it on the Telegram page before it happens. So the GJ, okay, sit dancing around. I wanted it to close. I need like a strong bridge closure above. At least the whole structure is small. I can easily get a 10 pip move from this trade. So let's see how it plays out. I can easily get a 10 pip move on this trade. So let's see how it plays out. Gold is not doing anything now. So let me see my spread on GJ. If my spread on GJ is looking good. What I need now is I need a pullback. I need price to pull back down. I don't really like trading GJ though, but I don't really like trading GJ. But if GJ plays out correctly this morning, I'll probably jump on it. So what I need now, I need a pullback. I need a pullback to the downside. And I don't need price to let me bring out my tools. Let me show you what I want price to do on this trade now. Um yeah, what it's doing now. So I need a pullback. Let's see pullback to the downside. I need like a bearish pullback. Like let it come down a bit. Then after it comes down, the next candle should like wake up. That's when I'm going to look to go for buys. So it should be like a weak rejection. The next candle like a bullish push to the upside. So this is what I'm looking for on GJ. You get that I'm looking for on GJ. And my spread are not really nice on GJ. Oh. My spread are not nice on GJ. Is it, I don't know if because I don't know if because of this bank holiday shit, but I don't like my spread on my big account right now. I'm looking at the spread and the spread is crazy. So this show might actually play out, but I'm not liking the spread. It might actually play out, but I don't know. I don't know if I should get into this trade before it's actually push, which is not a good idea. They flip and they break above the highs in the case that um there's volume and the bias is right because once price break above its previous high, I don't kind of expect it to come back below the structure. I don't know if you guys understand. So the spread is okay on my phone, on my smaller account, the spreads are okay. I use XNext on my small account. The spreads are okay. Not really bad. It's not the best, but not really bad as well. But on the main accounts, the spreads are big, which is not really my best. Anyways, let's look at gold. Let's see what gold is doing. Gold 30 minutes. Okay. You can see what I'm talking about. So I'm saying that you see tendency for price to push to the upside because the 15 minutes never broke the previous 15 minutes low. I don't know if you understand me. Since we never got this previous 15 minutes break of structure, they see every possibility that this trade can still be bullish. Meaning that if price breaks above this high, it can drive. I know you guys understand, but regardless of it, this is the level we're working on right now on gold. This is like basically the level we're working on. This is the level I'm working on. So let's see if anything plays out. Let me look at GJ back again. Let me look at GJ back. I might be tempted to go in on GJ, but going to be on my small account. And since my small account, I don't mind taking a small loss or something on it. So, yeah, small loss because I don't. When I'm trading, I expect the worst. So if anything happens, I know that I've already made up my mind that I'm going to lose a certain amount of money. Then if I make money, also a win. It's also a plus for me. So that's like the mentality you should have when you're trading or when you're doing anything. You get me? That's the mentality you should have. So I'm looking at the trade, Sha. I'm looking at the trade. I'm looking at the trade. I see it, and it's currently pushing up. It's currently pushing up. This is pre-London, so don't expect the best of volume. Sometimes they're usually high volume in pre-London, but don't expect the best of volume during pre-London. So that's just it. But this gold I'm looking at, oh, gold is my lover. I love gold very, as in I'm in love with gold so badly. Like I love gold. God has humbled me. God has given me a lot of money. God has blessed me. But GJ sometimes GJ moves well. Don't get me wrong. GJ moves well, but God can do some crazy stuff for you that you be like, wow, I like what's going on here. You get, I don't know if you guys understand. So I like what's going on. I like what's going on. Okay, guys, this is DJ. So we're just going to, like I said, I'm going to enter in my small account. So basically going to do like paper trading. You guys, so if you have money to enter, it, you can enter it. Just put a buy stop above this level. Yeah, you put a buy stop above this level and put your stop loss below the structure because I can't enter it on my, like I said, I can't enter it on my big account. So it's just for me to just monitor it and get. So this could be a possible first trade on this account, but I won't call it a first trade because I'm not going full voltage on it, and I likely won't post it on our group. So just look at the trade, observe it. If it's something you feel like you want to enter it, you can enter it full position. But like I said, this is what I analyze price pulling back down and the break of highs, price push up. So our first TP is going to be first take profits. It's going to be like around 10 p. So this is where I'm looking to take our first TP. This is where I'm looking to take our TP1. Yeah, TP1 around this level. So let's see how it plays out. I same time, don't worry, I'm checking out good. I said I'm checking out good, guys. So I said time I'm checking out gold. So we've been on the stream for about 25 minutes now. We've been active on the stream for 25 minutes, looking at the whole trade together. And I think we are about to have a very first opportunity in the market. But yeah, that's just about to have our very first opportunity in the market. But it all depends of if this candle flip bullish. You get, it all depends on if this candle flip bullish. That one will know if we're about to take the trade or not. Like just a flip bullish. You can see why it drops my whole stuff. I think we got triggered now. I think probably we're triggered right now on the trade. I think we're probably triggered right now on the trade. Man, I really wish the spread was good, man. I really wish the spread was good. I would have entered this trade. Or let's say that I'll play it out as a trade, a normal trade. I will enter. So um, let me take a screenshot of this. Let me just take a screenshot of this image because it's actually a good setup. Let me take a screenshot of this. Let's see if it plays out. Or we're gonna eat this up. You get. Let's see if it plays out. Let's see if it's gonna play out, guys. And while this is playing out or doing its own thing, let me see look at gold. Let me see what gold is doing. What I say? So I said if your spread are good, you can actually try and place this trade. You get it. You have good spread. Use it. Excess is not the normal spread you even used to do. Okay, okay, 4 piece spread. Okay, it's okay. Actually okay. So if your spread are good, you could place this trade and see if it's gonna play out. But like I said, I prefer to enter gold anytime, any day. So anytime, any day, anytime, any day, anytime, any day, anytime, any day. Anytime, any day, my guys. Yeah, so you guys hear that sound, right? So like I said, let's see how this trade gonna play out. If we're gonna make money or we're not gonna die. And the trade is stressing and it's taking its time. So also as it's moving like that, we're still looking at the 30 minutes time frame because 30 minutes are not closed as well. So there's also like 2 minutes, so the 30 minutes candle will close. So depends on whatever the 30 minutes close, it's also going to give you like its own bias or what's it going to do. I don't know if you understand. So I've actually entered the trade on my other account, my big account. I've actually entered it. So since the spread was low, when the time it retraced a bit, that's when I went in for the buy. So I'm actually fully on this trade. And let's see how it plays out. Like I said, if we're going to take a loss, we're going to take a loss. If we're going to make a win, we're going to make a win. So, and this is looking like it is looking good. So far, so good. It's looking good. So, yeah, you just have to wait and see how it's going to play off at the end. So that's just basically it. So far so good. Like I said, it's looking good. So if the 30 minutes close bullish above the zone, this indicates you see a good bias. You get if the 30 minutes close bullish above the zone, you see a good bias. But if it comes down and close below this level, then it's a no-no. You get me? So it's a no-no. So that's it. Everything about trading is just logic, understanding structures. Once you understand structure, see how the whole thing plays out. And there's nothing else you need to worry about because it's all going to go the way you want. I don't understand if you get. It's all about structure. Once you understand structure, understand how candle moves, how it all plays, then you're definitely going to make money. You're definitely going to make money. So we have about a few seconds to the end of this. Looking at gold, let's see what gold is doing. Let's see what gold is doing as well. Okay, gold is still doing his own thing. Probably gold is waiting for gold is waiting for London section. I don't know. We have about 30 minutes to London section, so let's see what's going on. Like I said, the reason why I entered DJ because on the what's it called? On the 30 minutes, on the 4 hours, it gave a structure that is looking like it wants to push bullish, like has a bullish momentum on the market. That was the reason I gave it a go. You get that was the reason I gave it a go. So let's see how it plays out. Let's see how it plays out. The 30 minutes has ended. So let's see how it plays out. Let us monitor it and see how it plays out. So that's like the best I can do. Just monitor the trade. After you place the trade, and just trust your analysis, trust your structure for price to push to your side, give you money, make money from it. So that's basically like all you can do when you enter a trade. You just trust your analysis for price to move. But if it doesn't, that's it. Like say today is Monday, and if this trade doesn't go away, that's it. I'm just gonna call it today. You get so I'm not going there, but I'll just wait around and see if the actual pair that I'm looking at does something nice for me, which is good. But gold is still playing around. So just wait to see London section. Probably during London section, price can do something that will make us get into the trade. Like we're seeing Jordan, we're seeing a bit of Jordan right now. Like I'm Jordan. Let's wait and see. I have a positive feeling about the trade, but in order for me to confirm that positivity, I need this current candle to break this like previous high. Okay, previous high. You could likely see it drive to the upside. So that's it. Breaks high, likely see it drive. So we're waiting patiently to see if the trade is coming down for XL or so. If for in terms of managing this trade, like I said, we have a 12 pip stop loss. So in terms of managing this trade, if price starts breaking below this low here, the 7 pip, I'm going to close half my position. You guys, this is me managing. This is how I manage my stop, so I don't lose the initial money I'm supposed to risk. So if price breaks below this 15 minutes, I'm going to close half of my position. Then if it comes down to close, then I'll just leave my stop loss where it is. So you can actually just if you want to take me out, take me out. If you want to push bullish, push bullish. So that's exactly how I'm going to manage the trade. So let's leave it at 15 minutes so you can see how we're going to manage the trade once it comes down. Get so that's just it. That's just it, guys. That's just it, guys. That's just it. So you can see that the candle is currently pushing bearish close to our lows. So we're going to look to manage if it breaks its own low. Okay, so I'm adjusting some of my stuff so I can know what exactly I'm going to do. Like I said, I entered it my smart account and also my other accounts. The volume now is crazy on the markets. Like the volume is coming in, volume is kicking in right now. Like you can see the volume is kicking in. Spread has gone wider. Like the volume is about to kick in the market. You get me? So there's only one or two things left. Either I get SL or I get TP. Like that's basically the only thing left on this trade. You get me? SL or TP. Look at the 5 minutes. You can see the 5 minute end bearish. So volume is dying off. And let's look at your structure. Look at something. Let's look at something. Just wait. Just wait. Just wait. Oh, don't mind me. Oh, this is the thing about trading. You have to wait. Nothing you can do. You cannot force trade. You cannot blow breeze like who let the trade move. You cannot do any of that, man. The only thing you can do is that once you place a trade, you wait for the trade to play out. So you just only have two options in the trade you place. Either it comes down to hit you your SL or price goes to your TP, which is frustrating. Normally try when I enter a trade, it usually moves in space of 30 to something minutes, but this is not the case here. I'm looking at gold. Gold is looking good. Gold is looking good. Gold is looking good, but now I cannot. The problem here is that I cannot look at gold. And gold is looking very good. This is 15 minutes. Break above its highs. Wow. The problem with gold is that I'm reading in another trade. Should I close the other trade and enter gold? Yeah, I'm waiting. I'm waiting, but if there's volume in the market, I can't do anything if the volume. Like if the volume start kicking in the market, I can't do anything. You get? If I see a setup that is playing out, I look to like enter the trade. Do you understand? Like if I say volume is kicking out, I look to enter the trade. But today's Monday, like I said, this trade I'm in, that's basically the only trade I'm going to place today, currently now. So if it doesn't play out, which is looking like it might not play out, I'll just take my L and I'll take it like a boss and leave it till tomorrow. Even though the gold looking very nice and it might play out like it might literally play out well. But let's see. Let's see if we can get this 15 minutes closing above. Let's see if we can get this 15 minutes closing above. So yes, let me show you. Like DJ is not playing well. DJ is not playing out well. So let me show you how I'm about to manage this trade. So I'm going to go to my device now and manage. So what I did, I entered like two positions on my small device. So I'm going to move one of the stop loss to the 15 minutes low here. Probably I'm going to close both there. Oh no, let's close partials there. Let's close partials there. But I'm not blocking the low yet, so we're still waiting. We're still waiting. You see. We're still waiting to see. You guys are still waiting to see. And I was really expecting this volume to keep king and this price to push up. And I was madly expecting this trade to do. I was expecting it. So what's going to happen is that if the 15 minutes can close above this level, might still have an opportunity. Do you get me? Let's see if 15 minutes can close above this level here. But if it doesn't, if it's closed below, mm, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to not close anything when it gets here. I'm going to remove my stop loss. Well, I'll wait for the 15 minutes, which close in 4 minutes. So if I see that it's close below the structure, I'm going to close all my positions. You get, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to wait and close below. I'm going to close all my positions. That's what I'm going to do. That's exactly what I'm going to do. And gold is looking good, man. Gold is looking good. So we have 3 more minutes. I'll wait for London section, like Tony said. Oh, gold is looking good. It goes close like this. All we need to see is a close bullish. All we need to see is a weak rejection and break of structure for price to push up because price this is the level price is has been rejecting off. You can see so many weak rejection. Price has been rejecting off this level. So all we need to see after this break is a candle retest. Then you can see a bullish move to the upside. That's about it. So let me adjust my stop loss on GJ. Let me adjust my stop loss on GJ. Let me adjust my stop loss on GJ. But gold is the bomb currently now. Gold is like the bomb. Uh, might even miss this move on gold. Like my or seriously miss the move because you can see it's already driving, it's already pushing up. But I need a closure. Like I need price to close bullish, then retest. Just that see you can see 150 minutes candle, 60 pip, crazy move. We still have about 70 pip range. So I need to close so I can have like a type stop loss. But there's a problem here, Shao. This is a problem too because this is where price rejected off from before. You get this is where price rejected off from. There's a problem here. Well, let's see how it goes. Like you can see, it's literally still pushing. But when I was looking at it, I actually wanted to enter the price from this level here. You get it's like an impulsive. This is an setup I'll show you guys. Like currently, as times go, as we keep streaming, let me show you guys this particular setup, how to enter this kind of setup. You get, but let us see, Sha. Let us see. Let us see. Let's allow go do his thing. Let allow go do his thing. Uh, it's crazy, man. Let's allow go do his thing. Like this is the only place I like seeing. Like this is the only place I could give my trade opportunity because the team break is low, close above the 15 minutes. This is the only place I could give my trade an opportunity to push up. Like, that's the only thing I'm saying. That's the only place I would like give my trade an opportunity to go up. So it ends in 15 minutes candle ends in some few seconds. Let's see what GJ is doing. Let's see what GJ is doing. 30 minutes time frame hasn't closed. The 15 minutes is still open. And the 15 minutes close below. What I'm just going to do, I'm going to move my stop, all my stop to this low. All my stop to this low. You get, so that's it. My stop to this low. This is me managing my trade because this is basically now like a fake out. Price break above, come back into the zone. Fake out, break below the structure. You're going to drive to the downside. This is a fake out. So that's it. That's it. That's what I'm saying there. And for gold, crazy, 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 crazy. We need a retest on gold. Like, let's see if we can get a retest on gold. Then you can look for opportunities on the markets. Let's see if we can get a retest. I've placed only one trade, so there is room for another one, but I might likely not. Like I said, today is Monday, and although my trade is being managed properly, it's being managed really properly. But if I could get another possible setup, that's an A plus setup, why not we dive right in when we know that you have not actually reached anything? Like basically just small risks on the table. Why don't you reach it? But let's wait till London section. We could get that London volume. Like I'm hoping for that London volume to come in, man. I'm really hoping for that London volume to come in. So we can do some crazy move. Let's wait, let's wait, let's wait. Let's wait, guys. So good might see play out. Good might play out actually. But um the retest price retesting this you can see it's retesting of this level. Retest this level, break above, you could get a bullish push. Uh, that is just it. So this the DJ is about to take us out. 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 DJ just took us out. So we have recorded sad but our very first stream. We recorded a loss. But the key thing is here is that I showed you guys how to manage your stop loss. You get like that's the key thing. how to reduce your risks. Like I can bet you that this will come to this place. I can bet you. Let's just see. I can bet you that this will come to this place. So I just show you how to manage your risks on a trade. If you went in on a trade, I just show you how to manage it. Understand? So I'm going to record this as a 7 pip loss because it's actually 7 pip. Or let's call it 8 pip. 8 pip loss on this trade. So I'm going to go down to my I'm going to go down to my records and that's it. So that's basically it on GPP JPY. Like I said, I hate this pair. I don't know why. I just hate this pair so much. I hate this pair so much. Since we haven't, I've not actually posted any trade today on chats or anything. So I'm going to do something for everyone. Is I'll call out a trade, but like I said, we're waiting for a London section. So let's wait for the whole 30 minutes. Let's see how the whole gold 30 minutes, like going to close 30 minutes on gold. I wish close in next 10 minutes. So the way this candle close is going to determine the next move. But I'm probably not going to enter this trade. Like I'm not. I don't think I'm going to enter this trade. But I'm just going to call it out if it plays out the way I want it to play out. You understand? So today is Monday. Like I said, it's Monday. You shouldn't be over trading on the Monday morning. You shouldn't. So let's wait till London session. See, I didn't even get to London session before I collected an L. So let's wait till London session. I think it's the whole excitement of streaming live, and I was looking to probably catch a trade with you guys and we make money together. So I think probably that is. Let me just call it stats. Let me just call it that. And let's see how the trades played out. Let's wait for our whole confirmation price doing what we need to do. Then we look to um, dive right in and make some money. If you have any questions, anything you want to ask me, you can just shoot, ask me a question, and I'm here to answer any questions that you may ask, like you want to know. Because any question you want to know, I'm here to answer it. I'm here to answer any question you may want to know. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I don't know if the mic is still working properly. I don't know if you guys can hear me clearly. Is the audio playing? I don't know. Can you guys hear me? Let's go, guys. So this is my normal routine when I look to enter trade. I just wait for setup, look for trades to do its own thing, Let me really quickly look at that DJ back self. The crazy play you see playing around. So let's look at it. I have no business. Like I really don't like this pair. It used to be one of my favorite pair, bro. I really don't like it. But I see changes sometimes because it plays out. You get if it was good I entered, trust me, God would have at least given me because we saw profit at the time. You get me? So God would have at least given me 10 pips before he, even though he wants to go against me. Or maybe my balance was not right. But you at least giving me 10 pips, like 10 solid pips before it goes against me. You get supposed do I have to do the top down analysis every morning or just go straight and look for my setup? Is the reason for top down analysis is for you to know the actual bias of the market. You get like you need to know what the price is telling you for that particular day. It's important for me. I feel like it's really important for you to just know the bias because you're trading off the bias. Now let me show you this DJ. Let me show you the DJ. Now this DJ bias, uh, sure DJ does not have bias, but his previous daily bias is bearish. So normally I'm supposed to be looking for a bearish momentum. But the reason why I entered a buy, even you see the 4 hours is also bearish. This could be a top rejection for price to continue pushing downwards. But the reason why I entered a buy is because there's a rejection of this 4 hours. So it's looking like a break and retest of structure for price to keep pushing upwards. That was the reason why I was interested in buys on this particular pair. I don't know if I'm making sense. So that's the reason why I went in for longs. Like, okay, let me look for buys on it. That was just the only reason. If not for that, I have no business. Like, I have no business um placing a trade. Yeah, you get. I have no business. Like I said, I don't really like the pair that much. But it's important for you to always do your top down analysis because it tells you what the price is most likely to do that day. You understand? So you get your actual trading bias. You need to have a trading bias for the day. You understand? So if I go to gold and show you gold top down analysis and go to the daily time frame, uh, gold is also bearish. Um, the top down, gold is also bearish, but overall we still know that gold is in a bullish trend. So now on the 4 hours as well, price is printing some kind of structure to go up. You can see it's lower high, lower low. It's printed a high. This is a high here. But it might be that price is coming to retest this zone, this 4 hour zone, for you to push downwards. So what we're currently doing, we're counter trading. Yeah, counter trade. So we're trading against the trend for us to probably look for another setup above here for us to keep pushing to the downside. I don't know if that makes sense. I don't know if what I'm speaking makes any sense at all, but that's what we're looking at on gold. That's what we're looking at on gold. Is that you have any other questions to ask me so I can just give you an answer to it or something? You have another question to ask me? So we're about to enter London section right now, and the 30 minutes is very bullish. It's very bullish. It is very bullish. But let's see how it plays out though. So see the essence of waiting for the whole 15-minute structure, like candle close and all. You can see the whole essence of waiting for it, right? Now, what did I tell you about DJ? I said that definitely DJ is going to come to our stop, in our initial stop. So this is where we're at initial stop. You can see that price would have taken us out, like without any stress. That's taken us out. So that's the essence of always having a full, like, if you're analyzing your trade, don't aware. You get, don't aware. But let's look at what's going on in gold. So gold now has the candle has closed, and currently the 30 minutes is still good. The 30 minutes is still good for a bullish momentum. Let's look at the 1 hour. Okay, now the problem I told you guys before is that this level, and you can see this level rejected off it again. So that's the only concern about um, gold. That's the only concern about gold. This level, and that level is still rejecting off the whole zone. But um if the whole bullish momentum comes in and price wants to actually move up, but you can see that the bias is actually still bearish. But if the whole bullish momentum comes in and price wants to push to the upside, which I highly doubt it would, the moment we see a break above this current candle high, you expect price to drive to the upside. But like I said, I'm not looking to enter any trade no more. The only thing I'm going to do is go to paper trade till price does what I want to do. Then I just look to get out from the market. I don't know if you guys understand. So I'm doing paper trading on this one. So one hour on the stream. So I thank everyone for tuning in. So we're paper trading this trade. Um, and crazy good, crazy time, crazy analysis. So I want to be partially straight, even though I know that like this is a problem. Like I'm taking note. I'm telling you guys. I'm letting you guys know that this is a problem. So let's see how it goes. So the only thing is going to happen that if price flip bullish, it might just drive up. Like it might flip up bullish and to just give us that drive, bullish drive. But you have to wait and see it now. So we have to wait and see if it's going to push bullish and drive it drive. So that's it. To see if the initial bias is the bias that price wants to go. So that's it. Let's go, guys. Let's go. But I'm legitimately not saying anything. No. I'll actually see call it I'll call it a day soon. But I know that along the week we're going to get more opportunities, like better trades during the week. But I'm actually not seeing anything in the market currently right now. I'm not seeing anything. I'm not seeing anything quite interesting. You get. I'm not seeing anything quite interesting. This one now is just me trying to. So let me clear off everything. Let me show you guys the whole what I'm seeing now in the market. So this is my level of support. On a bit, guys. I got a message. Let me reply the message. So I'm not saying anything. Like I said, the only setup I saw this morning was an impulsive buy on gold, which was from this level. Just the moment price broke above this level, you just enter an impulsive buy and price move around 40 pip. That was the only good buyers I saw this morning. Then the other one is I tried entering GJ, but GJ being GJ does what he does best. So this is the whole analysis and setup I'm looking for right now. So this is where price has created an resistance. This is where price has created the support. So we have to wait for price to either close above and close below. But let me adjust it to this level a bit because this is an area of rejection. And then in 30 minutes, okay, that's it. So let's see how it plays out. I'm not going to trade anything inside this box. Either wait for price to break below or above, which might not happen anytime soon. So I'm going to call it a day and take my 1L because we took an L on GJ. So we're going to take our L and that's going to be it. And we're going to see you guys tomorrow. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Well, I'll wait for 15 minutes, less 15 minutes, 30 minutes. That I'm looking to on it. So tomorrow I might come a bit later, maybe like 7 after 7 or 7:30. That's when I might look to come on the stream. Well, let's just see. Let's see. Let's see how everything plays out. Let's see how everything plays out. So that's just it, guys. That's just it, guys. Trading is what it is. You can see that 1 minute you can be up, the other minute you can be not. But trading is what it is. So I've just given you a clear analysis of what I'm looking for right now. We need a bullish closure above the structure. Like to have like a bullish closure above the structure, then look to um listen trade. You understand? That's what I'm looking for. So this candle might actually close bullish. We don't know, but let's see how it plays out. You understand? Because the price is giving signals that it likely wants to push up. But you can see if the 4 hours, the way I talked about the 4 hours support, so there's possibility that this 4 hours might close bullish above the zone for a bullish continuation. You get me? So let's see how it's gonna play out on all the time frames. You get me? So like I said, there's a possibility that price might flip bullish and keep pushing upward. But I'm not looking to place any trade. I'm not looking to take any risky trade. The only trades I'm looking for is clear patterns and clear patterns and clear trades. So that's all. That's all. That's basically all. But let us wait till the next 15 to 30 minutes. Probably look to call it quits according to the. So that's it. Yeah, I'm waiting for the 15 minutes, guys. I'm still doing some other things on my phone. Man, why don't I have this stuff? What's going on? What's going on, guys? Why don't I have this open? So guys, you can see the way the candle ended. So it's not pleasant in the air. It's not pleasant to see. It's not giving anything. So I think it's here. I call it a day. We've tried for the stream. It has been an amazing 1 hour plus. So I'm going to see you guys tomorrow on Friendly. Instead of friends, to tell a friend that we're going live tomorrow. So see you guys tomorrow and and have an amazing day. Peace.